Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I made these gorgeous pair of earrings. I put some lovely charms and beads together, made these gorgeous pair of earrings, and I wanted to show you how I did them, but using a different pair of beads. It's like hexagon beads, but obviously you can use what beads you want, as long as they could fit. So what you will need is, if you're making just this earring, like this smaller one, then you'll just need 2 for a pair. But if you're going to go a little bit more glam and make this longer earring, see it here, just shake it out, this longer earring, you're going to need 4 of these, because you're going to use 2 on each earring. You're going to also need 2 earring hooks. You're going to need 2 or 4, see, 2 or 4 of these findings with a flat head finding. You're going to need beads, 2 or 4 beads of your choice, because these ones are the hexagon beads, or you can use these round beads like this. You're going to need 2 or 4 of these beautiful charms, but make sure the bead you choose in, make sure it can fit nicely inside. See, make sure it can fit nicely inside. And also you'll need 4 of these. That's if you're making these long earrings here, you're going to need 4, because 2 for each earring. No, sorry, yeah, no, sorry, not 4. You're going to need 2, because you're just going to put 1 on each of these earrings just here. Because if you're going to make these little earrings here, you're not going to need any of these jump rings. And also the equipment you're going to need is chain nose pliers here. You're going to need round nose pliers here, and you're going to need some cutters. So let's begin, shall we? So what we're going to do first of all is pick up our charm and see that it's going to fit in, the bead is going to fit inside the charm nicely. Then you're going to pick up your findings, and then you're going to thread the finding inside the bead like that. It's threaded in, and then you're going to thread it inside the hole of this charm, push it in, turn it around, and then just bend it. Bend the finding. Don't bend it too much, because you need to try and judge, because what it is, you need to cut it a bit and then push it in. You need to cut there and then press this in. So we're going to just cut, we're going to kind of guess and just cut some of this finding. Let's take that. And I've cut some. And mind about when you cut it, because the bit of the metal could go flying. So once you've cut a bit of it, you can kind of judge it. And then you're going to take your chain those pliers and you're going to just clamp it down. You could always take your round nose pliers and bend it. Right, so you go from behind and just bend it downwards until it's nice and secure at the back. And you can also use your flat nose pliers to just flatten it in the back until it's in. Can be a bit fiddly, but just carry on. So it can be a bit fiddly, but just carry on. I'm not going to be fazed by it. So just bend it and then turn. Oops, sorry. And then turn and just squeeze it in. So it should look something like this. The bead should hang nicely in the center like that. Just turn. That's it. Show you there. See? The bead's hanging nicely in the center like that. So I've pressed that down. It was a little bit fiddly, but you just, you know, carrying on like a soldier. I mean, it's not like I'm climbing a mountain or something, no? I won't be fazed by it. Right, next thing is you pick up your earring hook, and then we're going to give it a little opening, put the round nose pliers and give it an open. And then we're going to thread it onto the earring. Oh, I've not opened it enough. Let me open it a little bit more. Open it a little bit more. Okay, that looks open. Right. Thread the earring on, the bead and the charm on. I'm just looking that it's the right way I'm putting it, because I don't want to put it the wrong way. Oh, that's it. Okay. So hook it up, put it on. Fell off. Just put it back on. It belongs here. Turn it around. Pick up your flat nose pliers. Sorry, not flat nose pliers. Chain nose pliers, and simply close it. I'm going to press it, and you're going to close it right in. So yeah, so that's nice. So there you are. You got yourself a nice pair. Well, got yourself one nice earring so far. Doesn't that look cute? But if you're feeling a little bit that you want more, then I'll show you how to easily attach the next one on. So here's one that I've made earlier. So we're going to easily attach it onto this one. So you need to pick up your jump ring. It's a jump ring that opens, by the way. I like to hold it with my chain nose pliers. And okay, so we've opened it now, and always open it, if it's focusing, yeah, always open it across, not that way. Open it, no, I'm not, if you see what I mean, I've opened, the jump ring was closed, like that. When the jump ring was closed, kind of open it across that way. So open it across, don't open it that way. And then all you're going to do is put them on together. So we're going to thread on one bit. We're going to thread on here. And then we're going to thread on the other bit. And then we're going to simply close it. So thread on both pieces. So both pieces are threaded on, and then simply all you're going to do is close it like that. Sometimes I use my hands just to close them together. So just bring them together like that, or you can pick up your flat nose pliers and then bring it together and then clamp it shut. So kind of clamp, make sure that it's touching each other. That's it. Bit of press it across there. That's it. So what have you got? You got yourself a nice earring. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. I mean, I know they're not the same beads, same color beads, but look what you got there. A lovely pair. See the focus is focus, because please focus, because I want these beautiful earrings in focus. So there you are. Lovely pair of earrings. So there you got. You got yourself lovely, simple to make dangly earrings, or you've got the shorter ones if you prefer just to use one of the ring charms. So there you are, lovely pair of earrings, easy to make. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you've got any questions or any comments, please pop them down below. I want to attempt to do videos every fortnight, so please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so they'll let you know when I've made another video, because I want to make them one every fortnight, because I really love making jewelry and other crafts, and I've got them all in my head, and you know, I just want to make them. And also yeah, please comment, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share to anyone who wants to try and make, you know, some earrings. That would be well appreciated. I've also got an Etsy shop which I'm currently adding more and more jewelry each and every other week, and because I do love hand making. And also I'm on Facebook and Pinterest, and also Instagram. I'm currently building those up to be better than they already are, so I'll leave the links down below. And thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. Bye for now.